Researchers are exploring Lake Erie's harmful algal blooms as a potential source for life-saving pharmaceuticals. Caitlin Luby has the story.
Scientists are looking to Lake Erie and their algae blooms for possibly the next pharmaceutical drug because a lot of pharmaceutical drugs like anti-cancer drugs and antibiotics, they actually come from nature. The researchers believe that because the cyanobacteria are so tightly packed together, that this creates a lot of competition. So the microbes basically produce toxins that can inhibit or kill each other. So that's kind of why they think that there's a possibility that, the next big pharmaceutical drug could be present in these algae blooms.
The scientists are from the Cooperative Institute for Great Lakes Research and the University of Michigan. They chase the algal blooms on Lake Erie from June through October.
They'll go out once a month and they'll collect water samples. And something that I thought was really interesting is that these blooms, they're not the same throughout the entire summer. So they're actually seasonal and they change a lot throughout the course of the summer. So they go out at different times just to kind of improve their chances that they may find something interesting.
Two of the researchers have found an anti-cancer drug in marine life from the Caribbean. But not much research has been done to look for similar drugs in the Great Lakes.
So far, the researchers have told me that their findings have been promising, but they've also cautioned that it takes a really, really long time to find a promising drug candidate. The scientists mentioned that they didn't believe that a pharmaceutical drug has been found before in the Great Lakes, and it really seems to be a new frontier that scientists as well as some folks in industry are looking into.
While the potential for life-saving medication is a good thing, Caitlin warns that at the end of the day, Lake Erie's algal blooms do more harm than good to people and the environment.
The harmful algae blooms are really problematic. They're harming ecosystems, they're threatening drinking water. So I wouldn't say it's a silver lining, but I would say that it's a great example about how knowledge is really all around us, even in places that we least expect.